peel the potatoes and then you boil them. You only cut them in half.
And that's the lengthwise.
And that's the lengthwise.
How much is the salt?
You have 2 tablespoons of salt that you add to the water.
2 tablespoons of salt to the water.
Right, and then you mash them like now. After you drain. Them after they're done. And you don't want to over mash. And like right now, this is all we're doing. So we've added some butter, and then we're going to add a little bit of garlic, and we're going to add a little bit of pepper, and then we're going to add some heavy cream, and then we'll be done.